They look good in gold, don't they?
They are the current CHIKARA Campeonas de Parejas, the team of Solo Darling and Willow Nightingale, the Bird and the Bee!
Solo and Willow captured the Campeonatos back at our Season 20 finale event. And in the case of Solo, it must have felt like great vindication. For Willow, great validation. Here's why I say that. They captured the titles from Fist, including Solo's former partner in the Rumblebees, Travis Huckabee. That must have been incredibly vindicating for her. And for Willow Nightingale, who spent so much of last year battling her way back from a broken neck, it must have proven quite validating to come out on the winning end of that championship bout. It was the very first crack at the Campeonatos the Bird and the Bee received since becoming a tag team. Looks like Willow Nightingale is going to start things out. Solo was quick to accept the challenge of this match, and if you know a little bit of the history there, you won't be surprised by that, because when Solo and Travis Huckabee, the Rumblebees, held the Campeonatos years ago, they lost them to Los Ice Creams down in Gibsonville, North Carolina, and I don't know that Solo's ever quite gotten over it. Ice Cream Jr., the tallest in the entire match, backing Willow Nightingale into the corner. Will we get a clean break? Referee Gina Monti calling for it. Quick on the attack. Nobody home. One more time. Willow just moving right out of the way. And now sweeping the leg out. Reaching back to Solo Darling. Each of them stepping inside. Tying up the legs. All the way around in the big Joshi wheel. Oh, and a front kick. Solo's covering up. It could be over this fast. Solo generates a lot of power from the legs and hips. Exceptionally powerful striker. Another double team move coming up from the Bird and the Bee. Eyeballing that far turnbuckle. Both Willow and Solo send Ice Cream Jr. crashing into the buckle. Combination offense to follow. Working in tandem. It's the Bird and the Bee. Caught the leg. Clearing a path to the giant lariat of Willow Nightingale. And now picking Ice Cream Jr. back up for a short bulldogging headlock. Willow Nightingale with a cover. Ice Cream Jr. needs to tag. Get out. At this rate, if Ice Cream Jr. can't get out of the ring, this match will not last much longer. One more time. All the way up and around goes Ice Cream Jr. The Bird and the Bee have been utterly dominant since the bell rang. Crashing down with a big splash. Whoa! El Hijo almost dropped the elbow. Getting an earful from our referee after that illegal entry into the match. It's a good thing El Hijo didn't end up elbow dropping his own brother. Whoa, whoa, here comes Ice Cream Jr. Putting the brakes on one more time. Hijo ducks out of the way, and Jr. takes to the sky. Big senton backsplash, trapping Willow Nightingale down on the mat. Now El Hijo del Ice Cream is legal. When Ice Cream Jr. passed onto the plane of the bottom rope, he made his brother legal for the very first time in this match. And it's good that he did that, because Ice Cream Jr. was taking quite the punishment from the Bird and the Bee. Dragged back into the corner. Maybe now it's going to be Los Ice Creams unloading some combination offense. What do they have up their creamy sleeves? Oh, it's one of their trademarks. Willow's in a bad, bad way. Eating those kicks one after the other after the other. Big old Bronco Buster to follow. Up and down. Hitting them high, hitting them low. It'd be huge to pick up a win over the champs, even in non-title action. At the moment, the Ice Creams have no points. They couldn't possibly cash in yet. Oh, Willow was very close. Just sheer luck keeping the Ice Creams in this game. Trying to get rid of Solo. Putting the boot up. Well, Willow reverses once again. The Ice Creams almost collide for a second time. Io ducks one more time, crossbody. This is what got Willow last time. Well, she's not going to fall for that twice. She went over to the corner to tag about as fast as she possibly could, but Solo doesn't have her feet on the apron. Lands one right into the midsection of Willow Nightingale. Ice Cream Jr. going back to work. The crowd rallying. You can hear those chants of Willow coming out from the members of the CHIKARMY. One scoop is rarely enough if I know anything about Los Ice Creams matches, and I've called more than my fair share. Once again, Willow so close. Solo and Willow need to make a tag. Willow's just been in there too long. If she doesn't make it over there and tag, this one is going to be over very, very soon. Trying to wear down Nightingale right now is Ice Cream Jr. Just a sprinkling of chance for Los Ice Creams on top. Sprinkling, perhaps, is the most they could ask for. Jawbreaker stuns Willow as she goes careening back toward the corner. Reversal. Well, this time around they were able to avoid, but as soon as Willow saw her opening, she tagged out to her partner, and Ice Cream Jr. tells his brother to turn around. Solo knows exactly what the Ice Creams had in store. Barrel roll, stack of the shoulders. That's it! The Ice Creams are undone by the bird and the bee. Starting off season 21 with a bang, the reigning Campeonas, Solo, Darling, and Willow Nightingale quite simply outsmart their opponents.